Alright guys, I got the motor on, pulley's on, got the oil in it, got the gas in it. I'm getting ready to start it up. I got this little antler thing on there in it. So yeah, getting ready to start it up. I'll use the electric start first, see how good we do. So, let's see. Printing on that. A couple of primes. I don't know what that is. That's on. Fuel is on. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, runs smooth. Sounds like a brand new motor to me. Oh, it's like nothing coming out. So yeah, there's a new motor. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and probably do another project tomorrow because I got to put a chain on that green craftsman that's outside there, the one that's kind of like standing up out there. But yeah, that one's gonna be tomorrow's project. Hope to get the part in tomorrow. I did rush first next day air, just ordered it yesterday last night, so let's hope it comes tomorrow and I can give the two guys their snowblowers back for the weekend. I can make a little cash for the weekend. See ya. Bye.